Welcome back to Dad and Lad Garage.
I'm Dad.
And I'm Lad. And today we're going to do my first oil change. Hey Dad, I gotta tell you something.
What's that?
I don't get along with car keys.
Really? Why?
Because they're always starting something.
Oh, I get it. Good one. All right, speaking of starting something, let's get started on this oil change. Lift that up. There you go. Good. So that locks the back wheel. So that's just an added. Okay.
Okay, so that it doesn't just roll backwards.
Exactly. Okay, Ben. First thing we gotta do is remove this plate right here. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm gonna loosen this for you, and then you're gonna get it off. Okay.
Okay, but how do I get it off? Would it just fall on me or something?
I'm gonna hold it for you.
Okay. That's gonna be cool.
All right, ready? Make sure you have a good, it's on there solid because otherwise you'll strip the bolt, okay?
Okay.
All right, make sure it's on there good. There you go. Good, all the way.
Okay.
Nice.
There.
All right. Okay.
Oh! Is there all?
Yep, there's 4 of them. Do this.
It's rusty, so that's probably why it's so
All right,
shaky.
excellent.
Okay.
All right, good job.
Okay.
Okay, so now we're gonna actually take the bolt out right here. That's gonna release
it's gonna
the oil.
fall.
Well, we're gonna put it in the pan. We're gonna put it in this thing called an oil pan.
It's gonna be splashing out first.
No, don't worry about it.
Are you sure it's gonna be
I'm
splashing
sure.
out?
So I'm gonna loosen this for you, okay? And you're gonna unscrew it. You can do it by hand.
My hand?
Yep. You want to make sure though. Okay, you're gonna unscrew it. When it gets really loose, if you can, try to pull the bolt out before it comes off. You might not be able to do it, but that's fine. You'll drop the bolt in the oil, but it'll be okay. So you try it.
But I don't really.
Oh, there it goes.
Oh, I got a lot.
Okay.
Oh no!
That's fine. Put
Oh
the
no! Oh my god! It got literally all over
right,
me.
That's okay. We'll wipe it off. Okay, so now we're going to show you a couple of things here. So this is the bolt we took out. Remember where the oil drained out?
Yeah.
Okay, so this has a washer on it. This is a one-time use. This is called a crush washer. Because once you tighten this and it crushes, it makes a groove on it. So you can't use this again. Okay, so we got to put a new washer on it.
But what's the orange one for?
Those are a different type. That's a copper and this is aluminum. Okay, so we're going to put a new one on. So that's one thing. The next thing is we had to take the oil filter up. This was a little bit difficult, so I had to do it. This is my first time changing the oil on this vehicle, so I didn't know what a difficult spot this was in. But anyway, this is the old oil filter. This is to like get any type of dirt or anything in the oil out of it. This helps keep your oil clean. Okay, so here's the new one. Okay, so there's the new, there's the old. So before we put this back in, what you got to do, because that rubber is typically dry on it, we got to lube it up with some oil. So why don't you do that? Why don't you stick your finger in there? Oh, in here. Put your finger in the new oil. Dip it in. There you go. Now rub it around this rubber thing. There you go. No, around this black, the rubber on the outside. There you go. See? We're going to get it nice. You can dry. Nope. Don't lick it. I thought you were going to lick it.
No, I was just sniffing it.
Okay.
Smells yucky.
Yeah.
Smells like burned up sausages.
All right, now we're gonna pour the oil in. Okay, we put everything back on the bottom. We're gonna pour the oil in.
I can just fit the...
Okay.
There we go.
All right, there we go.
Up a bit.
Yep. So when you pour, you want to do this bigger part on the bottom. If you pour like this, it's not going to pour smoothly. It's going to kind of bubble out. So you want to pour with this part on the bottom, and then you get a nice smooth pour.
Are there a few of them?
Yeah, we have to do, so this car takes 5.5 quarts of oil. Okay, so this is one. So we got to do 5 of them and a little bit on the other one. Notice the difference in the color. When it came out of the bottom, it was all black or dark, and now this is like clear almost.
Yeah, but it looks like honey. Is it the same oil that Mom used for fried chicken?
No. And you definitely don't want to put that in here.
Yeah, I was just wondering.
No, this is motor oil, specifically for cars, and this one in particular is 5W30. So each car has a different type that it goes in. It usually says it on your cap right here. Look at, see, it says 5W30 engine oil. So this is what you got to put in there. Okay, so we've poured in 5 quarts of oil. It needs 5.3, but we gotta check it. So now we're gonna check the dipstick and see where we are at the level. So you want to pull that yellow dipstick out. Can you get it? No, pull it, not twist it. There you go.
Okay.
All right, so hold it against this blue thing so we can look at it in the light and see how much oil. Typically, the first time you pull it out, you want to wipe it off and do it again so you can get a clearer view. So we're gonna put it back in.
So is it supposed to be clean or dirty?
It's gonna be clean because we just put new oil in it. We're checking the level. So look at, there's little dots on it. So we got to get to that dot. We're only at that dot. So we still got to pour more in, almost another quart. Okay, so we've topped it off. We're close to the second little bubble at the top, okay? So you always want to, you can be under a little bit. You never want to be over that top bubble. That's bad. But if you're under a little bit, that's okay. So we are all done, and that's how you do an oil change.
All right.
Hope you learned something today.
Okay.
All right.
Thanks for watching my first oil change. Like and subscribe for more videos. Bye.